ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। श्रीमद् भागवतम कैंटो 4 चैप्टर 3 वर्स 23। सत्वं विशुद्धं वसुदेवशब्दितं सत्वं विशुद्धं वसुदेवशब्दितं यदीयते तत्र पुमान्नपारितः सत्वे च तस्मिन् भगवान् वासुदेवो सत्वे च तस्मिन् भगवान् वासुदेवो यथोक्षजो मे नमसा विधीयते। Translation: I am always engaged in offering obeisances to the Lord Vasudeva in pure Krishna consciousness. The Krishna consciousness is always pure consciousness in which the Supreme Personality of Godhead, known as Vasudeva, is revealed without any covering. Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 4, Chapter 22, verse 39. यत्पादपङ्कज पलासविलासभक्त्या कर्माशयं ग्रथितम् उद्ग्रथयन्ति सन्तः तद्वन्नरिक्तमतयो यतयोऽपि रुद्धा श्रोतो गणास्तमरणं भज वासुदेवम्. Translation: The devotees who are engaged in the service of the toes of the lotus feet of the Lord can very easily overcome from the hard-knotted desire for fruitive activities. Because this is very difficult, the non-devotees, the jnanis or yogis, although trying to stop the waves of sense gratification, cannot do so. Therefore, you are advised to engage in the service of Krishna, the son of Vasudeva. Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 4, Chapter 30, verse 19. गृहेषु आविशतां चापि पुंसां कुशलकर्मणां मद्वार्तायातयामानां न बन्धाय गृहामताः. Those who are engaged in the auspicious activities in devotional service certainly understand that the ultimate enjoyer or the beneficiary of all the activity is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Thus, when one acts, he offers all the results to the Supreme Personality of Godhead and passes his life always engaged in the topics of the Lord. Such a person, even though may be participating in the family life, but he is not affected by the results of his action. Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 4, verse chapter 30, verse 35. यत्र इड्यन्ते कथामृष्टाः तृष्णायाः प्रशमो यतः निर्वैरं यत्र भूतेषु नोद्वेगो यत्र कश्चन. Translation: whenever the pure topics of the transcendental worlds are discussed, the member of audience forgets all kinds of material hankerings, at least for the time being. Not only that, they are no longer envious of one another, nor do they suffer from anxiety or fear. Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 4, Chapter 31, Verse 14. यथा तरोर्मूलनिषेचनेन तृप्यन्ति तत्स्कन्दभुजोपशाखा प्राणोपहारात् चयतेन्द्रियाणां तथैव सर्वार्हणमच्युतेज. Translation: as pouring water on the root of a tree energizes the trunk, the branches, the twigs, and everything else, and as supplying food to the stomach enlivens senses and all the limbs of the body. Similarly, worshipping the Supreme Personality of Godhead automatically satisfies all the demigods who are parts of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Hare Krishna.